This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the partwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue we've got some building to do. Not much, but a little bit. After looking through the magazine, of course, the God Quarry. Thane has made a mistake, having defeated Thanos. Let him escape with his life instead of giving him a quick death. Oh no, so he's always going to come back and cause more hassle. There we go. The future of Thane. When he first appeared in Infinity, his days seemed numbered. Thanos was on a cosmic rampage. There we go. Find out what happened to him. If you want to pause, look at the pictures, read the words, feel free. But I'm just going to continue on until I get to the building, which is what I've got here. This is the part that we've got today. We've got some cap covers as well and some screws. We're going to put this together with 3 screws and then put it aside till next time when we get this piece to attach that, and then we're actually going to put it all together and use the cap covers on there as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that bit next time. Christopher Summers, Corsair, stylish wardrobe and overflowing charisma. I don't know Corsair, he's a new one to me. No idea about him. He obviously hasn't appeared in any of the films yet, although he may well. Donny Cates, child of the 90s. 12 issues. The Thanos collection changed hands. Someone else took over the writing and art of it, apparently. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get the actual build done. So today's part is this, which goes onto there. 3 screw holes all line up. This is obviously where the thumb piece is going to fit in, so don't need to worry too much about that. These are the covers for the screws, which we're going to use next time, so I'll put them aside for now. We need 3 screws from this, which they have kindly supplied here. So we'll get those in place. That obviously can't really go anywhere when it's in there, but we'll always put them in one at a time and come back to tighten them all up one at a time rather than putting in one too tight. So we've got that one up the top. And that one over the other side over here. That is what we have. So I'm just going to tighten these up. I'm going to go back and forward a couple of times to loosen up any plating that might be in the thread, causing it to not become tight. That all seems to be lovely. There we go, back to that, and then we can finish off the first screw that we put in. Then we'll have a look just how it looks and put it to one side for the next bit. Yeah, it all looks lovely, this does. It's all just huge. So there we go, that is that. Next time we're going to be attaching the long interior piece and fitting this to the hand itself. That's going to be fun, trying to get that on camera. Right, for now, that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.